Hello, Google team. So this is our app, Trevi.io. What it does, it allows users to search across their own apps in the cloud in one place, and Google Apps being among them, of course. So let me start by signing up with a new Trevi user. Okay, and I select the password and repeat it. And here I need to provide a sign-up code because right now our app is by invitation only. So I sign up. And now I need to go check my email to get the code that was sent to me. Here's the code, and I put it in and confirm. Okay, so now I'm inside. So what I can do now is I can connect some of my accounts in various cloud apps, and then I'll be able to search them in one place right here. So let me start by connecting a Google Drive account. So I click on Google Drive and I get to the consent screen. And here you can see on the top the project, our project number, the project number of Trevi in Google. So I select an account here, one of my accounts, and I'm asked to allow access to files on this account, and I allow it. So right now, what happened is that that account has been added, and now our app via the OAuth client Trevi-PRD, which is the only OAuth client that we have in this project. This client is now using Google APIs to read the files on the drive. It can do that because it was just granted the scope drive.read-only. So it reads the files from the drives in this account and indexes them on our index, which is an Elasticsearch index that sits in AWS behind a virtual private cloud, to which only our private lambdas in AWS have access. In addition, the index is encrypted both at rest and in transit. And each user has their own dedicated index. So now the files have been read from the drive and indexed on our index and to make them searchable. So now I can search them. So let me just write Trevi Deck, for example. And here are the search results. You can see that it was able to find several versions of our deck in Google Drive. Now what I can do is I can add another account. So I'll add a Gmail account. So I'm clicking Gmail here. And again, I get into the consent screen. And here you can see again the project number for Trevi here. I'll select one of my accounts. So here, since it's not verified yet, then I need to go through all that. And now it's asking me to approve access to emails, as well as to the email address and my name. So I allow it. And now the Gmail account has been added. And now our app, the same OAuth client as before, Trevi-PRD, is accessing the Gmails, the emails on Gmail using the scope gmail.read-only that was just granted to us to the OAuth client. And those emails are being indexed in the same index as the files from Google Drive, and they're both searchable at the same time. So if I write here now Trevi Deck, You see that among all the results from Google Drive, there is also a result from Gmail, uh, and that's about it. So our app uses Google APIs to pull content from Gmail and from Google Drive and index them on our index, which is highly secured behind a virtual private cloud in AWS, which is encrypted. And the search itself does not does not call Google APIs. It just accesses our index, our Elasticsearch domain and our indexes. Thanks.